Hello everyone, welcome to our day 19 of our learning kanji grade 1 in Japan. Start off, we have tree or wood. Alright, that's ki. Kanji is tree or wood. Second example, Thursday. Mokuyobi. Mokuyobi. Third example, mokuzai. That's lumber, timber, or wood. Mokuzai. Second kanji, hon, book, present, main, real, or true. Okay. Example is Nihon, Japan. Nihon, and that's Japan. Hontou ni, hontou ni, really, truly. Alright, and our example is hon, that's book. Third kanji for today, we have name or noted. Example is namae, full name or name. Then we have yume, yume, and that's famous. Famous, yume, famous. Then we have the kanji for Nagoya, and that's the city, Nagoya. Fourth example for fourth kanji for today, we have eye, look, favor or experience. Okay, we have that. First example is mokuteki, and that's purpose, gain, a goal or aim. Purpose, goal or aim, mokuteki. Then we have me, that could be for eyes or eye. Then we have mokuyo, and that's mark, sign, or landmark. Mokuyo, mark, sign, or landmark. Okay, so we have our examples for today. Hon no namae o oboite masu ka? Hon no namae o oboite masu ka? Do you remember the name of the book? Second example. Mokuyobi wa watashi no me o checku suru hi desu. Mokuyobi wa watashi no me o checku suru hi desu. My eye check-up day is on Thursday. My eye check-up day is on Thursday. Alright, so there you have it. Our day 19 learning grade 1 kanji here in Japan. Thank you guys for watching.